Okay, I want to begin this video by explaining this pentahexa in Fibonacci. Okay, now I'm going to show you my rendition of this gentleman, this is fantastic. There's certain things I don't understand. As you know, in Fibonacci, you're adding the last number to create the next number. 8 and 5. Now we got 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 is 5, 5 and 3 is 8. 8 and 5 is 13. In this Fibonacci, we are not counting the tens. The same thing happens in BACCARAT. So we have 3 and 8, 11, 1 and 3, 4, 4 and 1, 5, 5 and 4, 9, 9 and 5, 14. So the only basic that stays here is, you notice the way 1 and 1 comes together, that is the K letter, the 11th letter. 11, 23. They're both valued at 11. They're both valued at 23. 1 times 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 and 2. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2. So this is 2 levels off of 1 and 1 in multiplication. This will recreate 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 is 6 and 5, 11. So it is in 6 and 5, 11 is a reverse creation in the cubic world. All these reverse lines that I am showing, 5 and 5, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 1 and 9, these two, this is the split right over here. 5 and 6 will be right over here. 5 and 6 will be 4 and 5, then 1 and 5, etc. So it's all tens, and as you go around. Now there's a separation in where you get 3033, 30 in creation, all zeros equal to 6. It is the 8 heaven, but it is split. And on this side is 707, or 77, Christmas. Christ across from Mass. Is that Christmas energy? The fine point of 10. This whole thing brings 10 together, and it removes 10 altogether. Do you follow what I'm saying? 4 across from 6, 9 across from 1. The next numbers on the other side will be 54932, 54932, 5729, okay, 57291. This is at the 24 hours of the moon. Okay, this is the division of the gateway right over here next to this. Division of the gateway right where we begin. This is 3 by 19, 13, 13, 13. What does 13 do? 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 will create 3 and 4. 3 times 4, 3 plus 4, 7 and 12 equals to 19. 19, 19, 19 equals to 39. 13, 13, 13 equals to 39. What happens is 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 equals to 4 equals to 3. Multiplied is 12 and 7 equals to 19. 0, 7 add 60. It's now 79. Okay, in the gateway of birth. Number 9 plays in the inside role. It's an inside number because it is birth into heaven. It is a smaller number and not a larger number. As so is the heaven is a half number because heaven is one part of, and it's not your totality of life. So we have 3 times 19 equals to 57. 5 created from 12. 7 created from, let me get another pen out. One times 3, 1 plus 3 equals to 4 equals to 3. Okay, plus 4 equals to 12 plus 7. It's 0, 7, okay, equaling to 19. Now, what I did next, let me see what I did. Yes, 3 times 19 equals to 57. But 3 by 9 is 27. 3 by 1 is 3. It becomes 39, which is the same thing as 3 by 13. How do you get the 13? You get a 5 and 8. You get a 9 and 4. You get a 7 and 6. They all equal to 13. There are no others. And if there is another, it'd be 19 minus 6. There's a 14. There's a total of 14 here. 19 minus 6. 18 minus 7. 17 minus, 19 minus 6. 18 minus 5. 17 minus 4, 16 minus 3. You can't minus 3. This is creation, 613. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 3 plus 3, 6. 1, 3, 6 creation. This is in the formation of creation. It'll come up plus 4 equals to 1. Plus 5 equals to 6. Plus 6 equals to 3. So it's right over here when the 6th one, when the complete reversal comes in. But you notice I'm usually talking that 1, 2, 3, and then it's polarity. Yeah, because this is the polarity of all of it. There's a 4 inside of 5 and in 6. 4 is king of the castle. 4 is king of the castle. So, yeah, so you end up with this over here. This will create 14 and 9 equals to 23, plus 60 equals to 83. Equals to 24 and 11 equals to 35 equals to 15 and 8 equals to 23. 0, 8. Okay, these two create the split house, but the 8 in its own is a 0, 8 in its own creates the split house in the letter H, because all zeros equal to 6. If you put a pentagram, 2 pentagrams together, 5 and 5 is 10 equals 8. If you put 2 hexagons, two hexagons together, it's not very well designed. All the points, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 points. Okay, there were once 12, now it's 8. 2 times 8, 2 plus 8 equals to 16 and 10, 26. 2 times 6, 12. 2 plus 6, 8. It is also the corners in Rubik's Cube. So, where was I going with all this? I don't remember, but just to note that 19 will hit 57 the moon, 18 will hit 54 the sun, and 17 will hit 51 Mars. Each one of these, moon is a total of, moon has 4 letters, and the reverse of it is 51. Sun has 3 letters, and the reverse of that is 27. So the 27 that I had left over in creation is right here through the sun. The reverse of sun is 27, equaling to 81 Venus. And the reverse of 17 Mars, 4 letters, is 57 moon. 7 and 1 the gateway, to 7 and 4 Jesus. Jesus and earth, 55. Okay, that is your sky freedom. 55, again, your sky freedom gateway to your sky freedom gateway through 19 and 17. And here is your sunway through number 18, Venus. Your 9 and 7 is your birth. It is 63 to the quarter world and 16 added. If you want to look at it, it's 36. If you want to look at it again, it can be 97, whichever way you want, removing the 10 value. 10 doesn't become 10 until A, B, C, D. That's what becomes 10 when you come into the time heaven. You reflect it, 10 and 10 in time heaven. A, B, C, creation. 7 and 10. I don't know which way I'm going to do it. I'm going to leave it at that. Let me get back into this. So this will create, now what I did here is I split 1 and 1 over 9 and 9. It's an absolute. You have 101 over 909. So you're creating a plane. We don't want to go more than 2. Otherwise, we crisscross ourselves. So we're going to finish off this design by going 4 and 6, by going 1 and 9, between going 5 and splitting 5 again. I can put a big box if I want over here. Is that a straight line or almost a straight line? Yeah. Between here and I think we can go to 73. Something to do with this size. I'm not really sure of the sizing of this. Maybe the sizing should start where 69 gets divided. But this is the center over here. This is the medium center. And then the medium center for here. And anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Not really sure where it's going to fit, but yeah. And there's more than this. You know what? Before I end it, let me just do something else. There's more than this. What else is in here? You see, this is where the basic split was on this angle over here. There's another split in here where what happens, I'm going to try and see if I can do this. I'm going to see if I can do this. Here is 1. I'm going to call it 3. I'm going to join all the ones. I want to join just the ones. Okay, that's what whoop. Okay, this is what happens when I join only the ones. Okay, now I'm going to take all those ones and I'm going to join it, okay, with 3. So why am I meeting here? I don't know. I think I should have been meeting everything here. So that's 3. And 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 one of the reasons I'm doing it this way is because all ones will revert to 3. All ones will revert to 3. I need to take A, B, and leave C in creation throughout this whole thing. This is a 10-10. Not only that, there are other things to do with this. Since I created this in 10-10, we're now going to create it into 13s or 4. So 9 and 4. 9 and 4 comes together over here. And I'm going to use this one over here. We're going to use black. And we're going to use 9. Actually, you know what I should do? Hold on a second. Maybe I should do it different. What I should do is split the board here, like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Look at that. You got closed in 9s. 9, 9. Look at that. Look at that. Look where you have your 9s. Look at that. Look where your 9s show up. Do we have any more 9s? Now what we're going to do is we're going to drag the 4s. 4, 4, 4. Okay, and the reason I drag these 9 and 4 is because 9 and 4, 13, 8 and 5, 13, 7 and 6, 13. They are the reflection of 1 and 6, 7, of 3 and 4, 7, and 2 and 5, 7. 2 and 5, 7 to 8 and 5, 13. And I'm trying to understand what that breakup is going to be right over here. Anyways, there's other things that I can create into here where I can bring the 8 and oh, here's another 4. Anyways, okay, that's it. How many did I get here? 2, 3 9s over here with no 4s. Over here there was a 9 and a 4 and a 9. There's 3 9s and a 4. Over here there's 2 4s and a 9. And over here there's a 4 and a 9. So I'm just trying to understand what the pentacoda is. And then what we should do is take this pentacoda and put it on a timeline. So if there is 60, I have to make a grid line for 60 and put it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video.